thought the market might take the lack of guidance as a disappointment, but they provided everything but. They actually gave you the first quarter numbers and the trajectories we entered the second quarter. And in short, those numbers are well ahead of where we were and where the street was. So we've actually upgraded our 21 numbers by 6 or 7%. Look, it's pretty amazing. These guys are real masters at managing shocks through the cycle. They've seen quite a few of them now in the commodities side especially. The highlight yesterday was their revenues were hit by around 10%. 12% organically across the business in the first quarter, yet they managed to hold their EBIT margin flat. So they were really proactive at removing capacity in a hurry in order to protect their margins, which is what they did. And they're now seeing, they're now adding those people back to the capacity side as revenue increases, which it is doing into this second quarter. So lack of guidance was a disappointment, but they're tracking well ahead. And by their own admission, the chairman said, look, we're trading far stronger than we thought we would through this COVID period. So I've had to release a couple of extra breaks on the valuation that I usually do to keep it on a buy, but I am really comfortable with the buy. The target's now $9. I just think that it can attract a lot of attention in this type of market. The reasons we like it, it's an essential services provider. Their disruptions to their lab base was only minimal during COVID. They've been subsidised and kept open by several governments through the crisis. As I said, they've got the proven ability to manage these cyclical shocks. They've got a really strong base earnings from the commodities side, which is underpinned by gold and copper, which is about 65 or 70% of geochem revenues. There's really compelling structural trends in global testing that only improve with COVID. They're earning revenues from COVID testing at the moment. And look, it attracts a premium, as we've seen through the cycle, getting a lot more inbound inquiry on this name simply because it's a quality name you can trust. So yeah, happy to keep the buy on ALQ.